Hi guys, today we'll be launching a vinegar and baking soda rocket. We're in a baking soda rocket. Okay, when we went to our launch site, we just saw some dogs there, and we were thinking that the dogs might get scared of the rocket exploding, and they might chase it around and break the rocket. So we're going to a different launch site. Guys, we just arrived to our launch site. Getting out of the car right now. Okay, we're now approaching our launch site, a nice dirt area. We're at the launch site right now, and I'm filling our tube with the baking soda. Come on, go in. No waste. Now what's next? Now the next step is to grab our rocket, a beautiful rocket, and fill it up with the vinegar. We're gonna do this like a little far away. Then a little far away. See, that's really far away. I'm gonna fill it up with the vinegar. I forgot how much they said. Maybe a little bit more. 10, 9. Delay. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Well, that went far. Wondering how the rocket launched, or how the rocket launched is very simple. You need to use baking soda and vinegar. You have to the baking soda plus vinegar will create a chemical reaction of carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide will go inside the bottle over here, and go inside the bottle over here. And when there's no more space inside the bottle because of the carbon dioxide, you just push the rocket up until it flies up. Thanks guys for watching our video. Make sure to like and subscribe on my YouTube channel. And thanks again, Mr. Scientist, making the video. We'll catch you guys next time. Bye bye.